Hello everyone, welcome to Honeybee TV. Today I am drawing picture of a doctor set. First I am drawing a syringe. Let's draw and color together. Have you ever drawn a doctor set? It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. Here is the needle of syringe. There are some measurements. Now I am drawing a stethoscope. I love drawing and painting doctor set. It's too much fun. I am going to make this very colorful doctor set. Green color, red, yellow, blue, red color, blue color, pink, yellow. Wow, this is looking beautiful.